Well, first job of the day is a Skunk 2 inlet manifold on this EP3. That's going to complete his modifications, and then we're going to map it on the Honda Vert system. So we're going to take photographs and videos as we go, and that'll be a lovely one. This one is in for a major service. This FN2, that's having timing belt, chain guides, all of that loveliness. So, well, it's early. Jason's already making noise, so let's get cracking. Lovely, lovely. Nice fresh engine bay. It's going to have a nice manifold in a minute, which is sat on the chair. So let's take some photographs of that. Well, there she is. Look at that. Very, very sexy. Skunk 2, such quality stuff. That looks absolutely beautiful. And it's going to do its job, we know that much. Yeah, beautiful that. Nice exhaust. So we got a Jap speed manifold, and it looks like a TypeR system, which is looking lovely. Big old box on that. Yeah, we think this one's going to make some power, aiming for between 230 and 240 today. It's a really clean one, you know. EP3s are getting a little bit ropey, but this one's really lovely. Really lovely. Do you have anything to say at this stage, Richard?
Yeah, I don't particularly like carrots. Weekend's here again. Hope you've earned a few quid.
You don't like carrots?
No.
That's okay. I should have been more specific.
Oh.
Do you have anything to say at this stage of the?
Oh, you meant this job?
Yes, this job.
Sorry,
yeah. No, nothing at all.
No, I'm almost ready to take this inlet manifold off.
Excellent. And then put the new one on. That'll look good. We'll take some photographs. Hi, Jason.
Hello, Daniel.
Are you having a great day, Jason?
Living life.
Do you want to talk me through what you've done so far on this?
Well, I've removed the old timing chain and all the old guides. And...
Oh, hang on a minute. This is a separate video. Yeah. Hang on. Let me. Yeah.
See you guys.
See you guys. Okay, so this beautiful car has now made it onto the dyno. Parts fitted, looking great. Look at that. And also, thumbs up to tactical rating. Rich says that fits, so that's all you need. So good stuff, tactical rating. Skunk 2, obviously, that we supplied. First up, initial power runs as it is to see what she puts out, make sure everything's okay, and then we'll fit the Honda Vert ECU. Hey up! Introducing Samuel.
Hello.
Dynodaze's youngest member of staff. How are you, Rich?
All the better for him being here today, mate.
Why is that, Rich?
It's a bit weird.
Apparently he's all right because he's 18. You can touch him.
Can't complain with that.
Any attention's better than no attention.
That is a true statement.
That's right. You got to learn how to map. You got to learn how to well, you know, first. Right, enough of that. What are we doing?
We're going to find a base file for this. Where we're going to
Excellent. So we've installed the Honda Vert ECU.
Yes, Honda Vert ECU is installed. We're going to find a base map. We're going to get on there. We fitted in the inlet manifold this morning, but we've already covered that.
Yeah.
Get a base file on there, and then we should start tuning from there.
Fantastic. Are you excited, Sam?
I am.
Sure, you cunts.
Jason, can you remember when you used to get touched in the car by Daddy Rich?
Yeah, I miss those days.
I bet you do. Now you get all the shit jobs, didn't you?
Yeah. I get all the shit jobs.
Right, let's do something. there we go. Some fantastic noises on the dyno. Screaming Vtec, dropping bombs, spitting flames. What more do you want? This car's done really well. It's actually made 240 brake, Rich.
Yes.
So really happy with that.
Happy with that.
Yeah, sure. So the modifications, as I said earlier, that it's had this morning, is the Skunk 2 and the tactical racing. It's on the Typhoon induction kit. It's got 4-to-1 manifold from Jap Speed, plus obviously a Tegua 2 3/4 inch exhaust system. Yeah, but it's fared really well, hasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely fine. Inlet manifold's done its job, made some power, which is great. Yeah, I mean, there's a few things that you think, well, you could do slightly better on induction, you could do slightly better on this, slightly better on that, but I mean, 240, I'm happy with that.
Yeah, good stuff. Hi, Jason.
Hello.
That was pretty loud, wasn't it, in the workshop?
Big flames.
Let's have a look. Let me zoom in on your phone, dude. Look at that, beautiful. That'll be the thumbnail for the video, perhaps, Jason.
Yes, my friends.
Yeah, really happy. Good stuff. Well, he's on his way back to Liverpool in this then, and he'll be having lots of fun on the way, I would imagine.
Oh, certainly.
Yeah. Well, that's another one done, another one in the bag on Honda Vert. So if you want to book in, give us a shout. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed. Yes, today.
No, thank you.
And look how happy Sam is. Yeah, loves it. Right, see you on the next one.